That's that authentic East LA experience. Like, how the hell do they not have grates? How's the city not gotten sued by like someone falling? That's crazy. And they got J's, man. They got J's. To be able to get 20% off all these, that's what's up. And then 30% off the entire wall. Ooh. Ooh. I doubt you can stack the coupons, but yeah, we'll see. We'll see. All right. 20% off our footwear. Didn't even make it in the store. Didn't even make it in the store. I guess someone recognized me. I was really incognito about it, but all right, on to the next spot. What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kids. We are back for another video out in downtown LA. And yeah, man, just wasted 20 minutes looking for parking. Parking is crazy. And yeah, let's go see what's up, man. Like, I can see why nobody visits these stores, because park is a pain in the butt. And then you got confusing signs like this. It says $5 and then it says each 15 minutes. It says that way slower on the bottom. All right, let's go visit Jumpman. Let's go visit Shiekh. Let's go visit some shops. All right, I did walk 4 blocks. 4 blocks, and yeah, it took what, 10 minutes to get here? Are they closed? I've never seen the door open. What the hell? What the hell? Oh, they're open. Finally made it here. Finally made it here. One of my favorite places in LA. Haven't been out here for a while. They do have the dope OG stuff right here. We'll show that after the sneakers. But yeah, let's go to the dopest freaking Jordan section in all of LA, dude. So yeah, let's go see what they got. Oh man, I'm running into things. All right, let's see. We're gonna go numerical order. Gore-Tex right here. Well, these go for $2. That's a size 9. Don't ask about sizes because I don't know what sizes they got, man. It's a retail shop, you guys. 9.5 on display. I'll talk about the display size. Let's do that. 9.5. Usually they always try to choose 8.5 to 9.5. Got the, what are these? These aren't the Heritage. What were these called? Oh, man, I forgot what these were called already. You got these bad boys, $170. Brotherhood, we've seen these at the outlets as well. Got the AJKOs. Okay, $150 for those, all canvas. The 3s, got plenty of 3s here. Elephant, was Desert Elephant. Purple ones right there. Multiple 5s. Do got these bad boys. Remember, these do have 3M. What is this, $2? $2 for those. Got the Court Purple ones right here as well. 6s, I haven't seen these Oreo 6s in forever. I've not seen these in forever, that's crazy. They still got those. Got 7s, the Flint 7s material on these. Just super, super nice, dude. Super dope. 72 and 10 Jordan 11s. I've called these like 50 different things. Threw out a bunch of random numbers by accident. 190 for those. These are fire, dude. I need to put mine on. These are fire. Dude got the 7s right here, the Citrus 7s. Man, tons of stuff. Got the Stealths. I have not seen these. The Stealth 12s. $2 for these. This colorway is just ridiculous, man. That gray. I really wish I got the, what they call the wolf gray ones way back when. Love the fact that they still use the silver right there. These are fire, dude. These are fire, man. Kind of need more 12s, to be honest, but I ain't got the money like that right now. Gotta get those 6s, man. I gotta get the 6s. Got the 13s, Obsidian 13s. Got the Gingers right here. Man, this is just crazy. These are the Team Jordans for the men's right here. Got the Lakers colorway of the Flights right there. Got all the, what are the center cords? Got a bunch of these. Material just ridiculous on them. I've never seen this one. I have not seen this one. They've got the crack leather. Also got this, was Chinese or Japanese? Looks like it's Chinese. Okay. Then also got the Jordan 1 low flyies right here. Okay. Then tons of mids, lows, tons of them. These are fire. $110 for these. Do got plenty of the performance stuff as well. These are what, the 36s, right? Is this leftover 35? No, these are 36s, right? Yeah, okay. I was like, what? But yeah, do got plenty of these. What are these? 185 now. More colorways than I've seen anywhere. I think that's one of the original colors, right? One of the earlier ones. Got these. This is one of the lows, right? Yeah, slightly lower. But yeah, these are what, 165? Yeah, yep. And then got a bunch of colorways at Lowe's. Have I seen this one before? I don't know. Got these bad boys. I feel like this was like the Jason Tatum colorway and like the prior versions. Tons of Lowe's. I don't think I've ever seen this colorway. All white. Got these. These are pretty fire. And then the last pair of mids right here, 185 for these. And if you're a Celtics fan or something, this is like perfect. This is fire. We still got some of this stuff, like the hoodies and stuff like that, man. I don't know the prices, but dude, every time I come here, these hoodies and stuff, especially in the summer, like 70% off. I bought what, 3 hoodies here, like not the last time I came, but one of the times I came. They got jackets. Man, ask about the prices, just hella cheap. I'm not gonna bug them and say, hey, look up the price for everything. But yeah, a lot of this stuff usually 75% off, 70% off. This has been here for a year. Now, dude. So yeah, but ask around. They got some fire stuff. And like I said, ask about the prices, because all this stuff on sale, this XL right here, they usually have more in the back. So ask around, dude, because they got sales like crazy. Even their shorts and stuff, on sale. Okay, oh, these are like super thick shorts. I really like these. This color was like a little bit better. Maybe these could be worn with infrared 6s, maybe. $75 for these. Yeah, because like this is super dope, but a little too bright. I don't think I'd wear that. This is a really thick. Oh man, this is XL, $45. This is super thick. Oh man, this matches with the shorts or the hoodie that I have. I think I have the gray one. I think I have the gray hoodie. This is fire. That is dope. Kind of broke though, but that is fire. They do have a huge mirror. Good opportunity to show what I have on feet as well as the rest of myself. But yeah, Jordan 1 those. Man, Jordan 1 those. Not too bad comfort-wise, you know. And it is hot as hell, so did put on some shorts and was that tank top? That's about it. But I think we're done, dude. Let's go check out the next spot. Go see what's up. Almost forgot to check these out, you guys. They have the original pairs of everything, so you can tell which ones crumble, which ones don't, if you're not an old school collector. The 14s, 13s, super clean, and even the 12s, no crumbling. Then you can look at some of the older stuff, the 4s right there, the 3s, the 2s. Those are just known to crumble. Even though they look fantastic, they're still my favorite, but the ones right there. But you look at some of the older stuff, look. No crumbling, dude. People sleep on these. The 19s right here, fire. Man, nice little history lesson to take a look at, guys. All right, Shiekh downtown LA, they've been getting a bunch of random drops lately, especially on holiday weekends and stuff, or special occasions. I don't know. Let's go see what's up. Labor Day weekend, let's see what's up. Of course, I got the epic Mitchell & Ness section right here, and then they have a redone Jordan section, which looks amazing. Man, just appreciate that, dude. That's dope. Dang, they just told me they got these dogs. That's crazy. Crazy seeing these everywhere now, man. If you don't have the lows, these definitely might be worth it. And if you do have the lows, I don't know, get both. I don't know. That's kind of the way I work. I just get way too much stuff. But yeah, dude, that's dope to be able to get these for regular price. This is a 9.5 right here. That is fire. I'll continue to post stuff. I'll post stuff on Instagram, okay. For those of you new people, look, they grabbed the picture from when Jordan was doing the dunk contest. And they blew it up, threw it right there. Got that basketball hoop with the 23, even a free throw line. Damn, that's fire, dude. That is fire, man. Then, of course, they got tons of Jordan. I see a lot of grade school, though. But yeah, tons of J's. Oh, for men's, they sold out for most of the men. That's really surprising. Really surprising. They do got the center court. Black and white right here. Or black, red, and white. All these go for what, $135, I believe? Oh, these have Zoom air inside? I didn't know that. Oh, okay, a little comfort in them. Got the play slides right here. I've never even seen these slides. I know Jordan's coming out with a bunch of new slides. Okay. $45 for these. Look pretty clean. Pretty clean. Then for grade school, look. Grade school, just grade school and grade school. I don't even know if I can show all of them because they just got so much. They get a restock in grade school or something? Like, seriously, I haven't seen a lot of these in forever. The Super Bowls, Can't believe they have those in grade school. Damn, this is for the women, I guess, huh? Because most of the women can fit all these. And even got women's jerseys, shorts. Oh, I'm tripping. This is where they put the men's now. I have to go look for it. This is a pretty cool thumbnail right here. Lighting is definitely going to be an issue. But yeah, I got the gingers right here. Ginger 14s, that is. Got the ones. These the Heritage? No, the one with the new ladies ones, Heritage, right? Stealth ones. I have not seen these anywhere. Dude, the color blocking on this is fire, dude. Holy crap. These are dope. Material's pretty decent too. Damn, dude, people slept on these. These are fire, dude. Brotherhoods, we've seen these plenty of times. Dude, got the Desert Elephant 3s here. Oh my goodness, look at the selection. The Stealth right here. Okay. I'm telling you, I like these, and these are fire. Then the ups. Wait, they got two different 13s? What the hell? They got this one and that one? Oh, so these are the Obsidians, right? And then these are the ones that just came out. Man, dude, they holy crap, they got a ton of J's. Man, that is fire. All right, I do want to show you guys that, but I gotta go, man. My car, dude. I've been talking to a lot of people today, and I think my car. Yeah, I think my time's expired. All right, let's go. I don't know. I might have time for one more spot. Let's see. I think I got like. My timer just went out, and that means I had 10 minutes left to go to my car, to walk to my car. It took me, what, 8 minutes to walk here, so. All right, let's look around. All right, I literally got 5 minutes, you guys. A bunch of J's here. Man, these, I know that a lot of this stuff's been readily available, but the selection hasn't been this crazy. The stores here definitely get hooked up. Way more than most of the other spots, so yeah, definitely worth a visit. Vapor Max on sale. We rarely ever see Vapor Max on sale. No bunch of you guys like the Hirachis. We've seen these on sale as well. Pretty freaking dope. Air Max Plus, seeing a bunch of these on sale too. Oh, and the Crocs here. Oh man, I do need to get some Crocs for somebody, but I'm good for now. I'm good for now. Someone told me they had these for hella cheap. This is a size 13 though. $10 freaking, almost freaking free. Look out for this at your local place. Doesn't mean it's gonna be on sale, but it's worth checking. Tons of Pumas on sale, RSXs. That's kind of one of my like favorite Pumas right now. Kind of like them more than shoot, what are these called? I forgot what these are called. The Future Riders. Kind of prefer more than those. Got the Mellow Ball colorway right here on sale. Rick and Morty's. Got these on sale. These are the suedes. Bunch of suedes on sale. Suedes were like all regular price just a little while ago. Bunch of them for $50. But I gotta hurry, guys. I gotta hurry. Let's wrap it up. Let's go home in time. All right, I did make it back. 1 minute left. I only did 1 hour because if I don't put that limit in, like I'll sit there and talk to people for like forever and spend 2 hours here. So that's why I only did 1 hour. $4 an hour, you guys. Holy crap, it just expired. Holy crap. Jumpman LA, let's go see what they got, you guys. Jumpman LA. Out at Jumpman LA, got tons and tons and tons of J's. Then look at their selection. No, I'm just joking. Dude got tons and tons of retros. Man, their selection ridiculous. Just the lows and the mids right here. Got quite a few of them. And then more ones. And then got some 3s and 5s right there. Not too bad. They even got stuff on sale, man. All their winter apparel. Definitely worth checking out. Man, the selection is ridiculous.
Yeah.